Okay, it's a thunderstorm. Oh my god. Yeah. And we're watching lightning. We're watching for lightning. Oh yeah. Bam.
See that.
Yeah, I saw it. Awesome. Perfect. I was recording that too. Ooh, rumbling. Getting closer. I might want to go inside for this. Ah. Maybe just back up a few feet. Scary. Yeah, a little scary because it's close. It's not too close. Well, it's close enough to be just a few seconds, a few miles away. Like the hair standing up on your arms. Yeah, it's dark for now. Just wait till another strike comes. And I don't know if that really does that, but come on, give me something.
Until the clouds get in a fight.
Yeah, clouds getting in fights. That's funny. I've heard stories.
It's like that cow.
Well, it's when this, well, the air just kind of mixes up there, I think.
It's kind of like the cow in the comic books where it says cow and it shows the lightning.
Yeah, exactly. That's probably where they got it from.
Like a cloud that looks straight up and you see the clouds are kind of orange.
It's just all dark. You see, there's just little lights over there from the neighbors.
The clouds look kind of orange.
No, the clouds do not look like It's just from the city. The lights glowing from the city.
Oh.
And a reflection off the clouds. Come on, give me some lightning.
Oh, I saw that.
I'm ending this in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there was one way over there. It didn't really matter because I didn't see it. Come on, I want the lightning there. Where we can see it. For unpredictable. Yeah! Something just crawled on my foot. Ew! We have water bugs here, so it's gross. Alright, I'm turning it off.